Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for rent payment. Many people wonder if this is a viable option, and the answer is often yes, with some important considerations. We'll cover the different ways you can make these payments, from direct landlord portals to third-party services. Understanding the fees and benefits is crucial to making an informed decision. Let's dive into the details to help you navigate this process effectively and smartly. Using a credit card for rent can offer several benefits. You might earn significant rewards, such as 2% cashback or thousands of points, especially on a large monthly expense. This can also help build your credit history if you pay your balance in full and on time. However, it's vital to consider the convenience fees, which are usually between 2 and 3% of your rent. For a $1,000 rent, this could be $20 to $30 extra. Weigh these costs against your potential rewards. There are several ways to pay rent with a credit card. Many landlords now offer online portals that accept credit cards directly, though often with a fee. Alternatively, third-party services like Plastic specialize in processing rent payments via credit card, even if your landlord doesn't directly accept them. These services typically charge a fee, often around 2.85%. Some people also use services like PayPal or Venmo if their landlord accepts them, but always check for associated fees. While beneficial, there are drawbacks to consider. The most significant risk is carrying a balance and incurring high interest charges, which can quickly outweigh any rewards. Always aim to pay your full credit card statement balance each month. Carefully calculate if the rewards you earn truly exceed the convenience fees, which can be substantial. For example, a 2% fee on a $1,000 rent is $20. Always confirm with your landlord about their accepted payment methods and any fees before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.